one thing I cannot stand when I'm driving to work is we're all doing 55 because nobody wants to go above the speed limit. Once we reach up here at this 2-lane where it opens up into 2 lanes, that car up there in the front, I promise you, will speed up to about 65 so nobody can pass it. And then once we get past the double lane, we'll slow right back down to 55. I don't understand it. Get out of the way. See, we got to go to about 75 to get around this car. And there you see it. Up to 65. Now we got to go to 70 just to get around this sucker. And the speed limit is technically 55. And then when we get up here, it's going to go right back down to 55 again, because now, you know, nobody passed or whatever. It's aggravating. That guy's riding the rail. He almost wrecked. People, what's going on? What is going on? Trying to find a parking spot right now. Come down here to the pawn shop. One of the local Cat Daddy Fishing is looking to get into doing some YouTube, making some videos as well. So I thought I would just stop down here and see if there's any cameras for you, buddy, if you're watching. So I'll go in here and see if I can rustle up a deal, and I'll message you on Facebook or on YouTube. So I'm gonna stop down here at the library for a little bit. I think it's funny. See there, when you vlog and you're using your phone, talking to your phone, they think you're taking a picture or a selfie. I think it's kind of funny. People will actually stop, look at you like you're crazy. I'm already used to it, so it doesn't really bother me. So I can pretty much vlog wherever I go, record it. Honestly, it looks like it's fixing to pour down rain out here. It's been raining off and on all day today. Then the sun will come out and dry it up, and then back out again, start raining again. So it kind of sucks. I hate the weather when it's like this, especially this time of year. Up, down, up, down, up, down. You never really know what the weather's going to bring, especially in Kentucky. The weather is kind of indecisive anyways, what it wants to do with snow, rain, sleet. Oh, fall time. It's kind of a luck of the draw, actually. So I guess I'm gonna head to the house. First off, I'm gonna stop over at Todd's shop, see what's going on with the truck, talk to Jeremy, and then I guess I'm gonna head home and play on the computer a little bit more. So the old man on the bike. He's kind of known in the town to ride that bike around. He's got a lot of flowers. People buy the flowers from him. And he's a sweet old man. Yep, fixing to pull up here and see what's going on with the old truck. Oh, it's Tuesday night, so they should be here. At least I would hope they would be. A lot of cars over here, boys. A lot of cars. Let's see where my baby is. Here's my baby. I get my baby fixed. I get the catalytic converter. Well, I'm kind of leaving now. It's kind of a pointless trip there. They were actually up at the house having dinner and just don't seem fit to interrupt a man's dinner. And some people don't care to, but I just kind of deem it to be very rude, especially if you know somebody's potentially eating. And I was always taught when I was growing up that, you know, when you're on the phone, if you contact somebody and you're on the phone and, you know, they tell you when I'm sitting down to eat, you know, that's kind of that family time that you would have with your family itself. So I was always told that if a man says he's sitting down to eat, or vice versa, a woman, that you tell him you'll talk to him later or just call me back later. But I've also known a lot of people that if you tell them that, they're like, oh, well, blah, 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 and they'll continue talking. And I used to tell people that just to tell them, you know, hey, I'll call you back later. But now I just tell anybody, I'll call you back later, especially if it's someone I'm expecting a call from. Or if not, I just turn my phone on silent, don't answer it at all, and then look, you know, call them back later. I'm not much on the phone. I don't really like to talk on the phone a lot. I'm like more of a text every so often, and then if I have to talk to somebody, I want to get off the phone. Should say every Tuesday. I have to collect these, unfortunately. They're back, tucked away where they usually stay, ready to be filled once again. Unfortunately, I'm always greeted every day by this pretty cat, ready for her pet. Loves to be petted on. And we got kittens ready to be given away. Let me know if you're interested.
I need an angel.
This is probably the better way to do it. This is from Walmart's Market Fresh. So, let me get a knife here. Kind of hard to do one-handed here. Yeah. There we go. Ooh. I can smell.
Well, guys, it looks like it is bedtime. I'm fixing to head off to bed. Actually, I'm going to watch a little bit of Forged in Fire. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe. So I'm trying to reach more subscribers so that I can get my own URL. That way my channel's growing. More publicity, I guess, through YouTube. So if you would, don't forget, like, share, subscribe. But above all, keeping it country.